Thank you so much for being with us this afternoon. It is my honor as the Congressman representing New York's 16th District to introduce a resolution that ensures the United States Congress recognize Pakistan Day, which is tomorrow. It just so happens that this year, for the first time in history, we have Pakistan Day overlapping with Ramadan, which begins tonight. So as we come together to celebrate the oldest Islamic republic in the world, we also celebrate and recognize Ramadan, and we wish everyone a happy Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak. It is incredibly important for us in this moment as the United States government to stand with the people of Pakistan who are dealing with a catastrophe that we have not seen in history. 10 million people still struggle to find access to clean water and energy. A third of the country destroyed. All of this because of what some would call a natural disaster, but as we know, is related to the issue of climate change. Climate change is a leading issue for us here in the United States.